Hi students, good morning everyone. In before session we have learned about how to give the names for international system and Indian system and how to put commas for that, and we have just learned to expand the form and the comparison and how to find the how many thousands are there in 1 lakh and how many hundreds are there in thousand, like that we have learned. Yes, so by the continuation that is in the part that is um, that is in exercise 1.1. So this is also exercise 1.1. Here it is chapter 10, chapter 1, part 10. Okay, okay. Now here what we are going to see is the continuation of the topic. Now, so the continuation of that exercise 1.1 we are going to see here. Okay, here eighth question till seventh question we have learned before. Yes, so seventh question what we have learned is you just take open your books, all of you. For recalling we have to open your books, all of you. So open your books side by side. Now listen, the seventh question what we have learned is write the following numbers in the international system by using commas. Yes, so they have given few numbers, so by that we have drawn commas and we have just to give an answer. Yes, so now by here what we are going to see the eighth question. What is the eighth question? Just read the question and then we are going to answer it. Okay, now write the largest 6-digit number. Okay, write the largest 6-digit number and put commas in Indian and international system, and put commas in Indian and international system. So what we have to do? So we have to write a largest 6-digit number first. Yes. So now what is a largest 6-digit number? So now what is the largest one digit number? You already know largest one digit number is 9. So smallest one digit number is 1. So by the continuation of that, we have to take that as a base and we have to write the next digits and all. So now if the largest one digit number is 9 means now what will be the largest 6-digit number? We have to write 9 in 6 times. So write 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits are there? There are 6-digit numbers are there. Okay, okay. Now we are going to draw. So now we are going to do commas in Indian and in international system. So now first we are going to do it in Indian system. So Indian system. So just to take that number and write it down. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, now 6 nines are there. Now we are going to put commas in by using the Indian system. Means what? 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma 1. Okay. Okay, now based on this what we are going to do, we are going to give the place value based on the Indian system. So here Indian system means how we have to write the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Now spell the number name here: 9,99,999. Once again, 9,99,999. Okay, this what we have written in the Indian system. Now we are going to write it in international system. Okay, just take that number and write it. Now we are going to put commas based on international system. So how will you put it? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, it goes on. So here 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3, yes, it goes on. Okay, now what we have to do is, now here, okay, now after putting commas, what we have to do, we are going to write the place value. So here we have to write the place value using the um, international system. So international system means here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Now spell the word 999,999. Another time, 999,999. Clear? Can you understand? What is eighth question meant is, now we have to take and write the 8-digit number. After writing that, we have to put commas in Indian system and in international system also. So by doing like that, after that we have to write the place value chart, and write the place value, and then we have to spell the number name. Okay, that's all. Now next that comes under the ninth question is, write the number name of the following numerals in the Indian system. So we have to write the number name in Indian system. They have given commas and that. Okay, now we have to write it in place value, and then we are going to take that number, and we are going to write it in the number name in based on Indian system. So now first we are going to write it in place value. First, first write that number briefly. That is 7 5 3 2 1 0 5. Okay, now after this what we are going to do is, now we are going to give the place value. So from here we will start. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So now after this, for your easy clarification, just put commas 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. Okay, now what we are going to see is, now just split 2 2. Now just split 2 here or 3. Just split like that. Okay, now what we are going to see, you just see we have split it into 2 2 and 3, no? So here what is a number, just you leave this number and all, you just leave this number and all, just you see what is a number here, 75. Yes, so what we have to write, 75 lakh. Clear? 75 lakh. So write it here, 70. Then you'll just leave these three, and you just see here 32. Yes, the number what they have given is 32. So 32,000. Okay, so 32,000. Next, close these two numbers and see this alone. See the three numbers, 105. No, read it as one. Read it in normal form. 105. Yes, so 105. Just write it as it is. Clear? Very simple. You can easily form a play number name by using the Indian system as an international system also. Very simple. Okay, so if they gave you a number means you have to take and write the number in brief, and then you have to put commas, then you have to write the place value, and then you have to split here the two after the commas, no, so you have to split like that. Split it like that, and just close to the twice the underlined number. Without underlined number, close all the numbers and just spell the number 75. So 75 lakh, then here 32,000, then here the 105. So likewise you can close your numbers, and you can easily form a number line. Okay. Okay, now the second question of that ninth sum is what they have given: 9, 7, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 3. So, so here also first step is what we have to write in the brief form. That is 9, 7, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 3. Then we have to put the same commas 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma 1, 2, comma. Then the third step is to write the place value. Yes, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, here what you will do? Here also you have to underline that in between commas numbers. So here 9, here 7, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 3. Okay, we have underlined. Okay, now first what we have to see this number. So close all the numbers and see just the number. You have to see the number alone. What is the number they have given? It is just 9. So 9 means here what is a place value? Crore. So 9 crore. Okay, just leave it, close all the numbers and just see this number alone, that is 75. So 75, yes, so 75 lakh. Then 75 complete. The next number 63. So 63 means 63,000. Then the remaining 453. Just read the number. You don't see this place value. First you read the number, that is 453. That's all. The last number should be written as it is, 453. Okay, clear? So this is the sum that we have did in Indian system. Yes, Indian system. Now next, the 10th question. What we are going to do is in international system. Okay, so 10th question. Write the number names in words using the international system. Okay, write the number names in words using international system. Okay, now here also the same steps we are going to follow. So just take the number and write it in brief form. It is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after that comma in international system 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3. Then what we have to do? We have to write the place value ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, here also the same thing we are going to follow. After before commas and after commas we have to underline the number. Okay, now just to read the number alone. 345. 345. Here what is a place value ending in here? 1000. So 345,000. That's all. 345,000. So 300 45,000. Next, this one 678. So the last three digits should be written as it is. So read the number 678. Read the number 678. So now read 345,678. Clear? 345,678. This is, you don't see the number, you don't be scared. ஐயோ எனக்கு தெரியாது மேம், நான் எப்படி மேம் நேம் பண்ணுவேன்? ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். நீங்கள் உங்களுக்கு நம்பர்ஸ் படிக்க தெரியும்ல, you know the numbers and you know the place value, that's all. You can do it by yourself. You don't be scared about that number. மேம் இவ்வளோ பெருசாக இருக்குது மேம், இத்தனை டிஜிட்ஸ் இருக்குது மேம். No, not at all. If you know the place values and the number name, just number name, simple number name, அதாவது 75, 63, 44 அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்பெல் பண்ண தெரியும்ல, இன் ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் 100 வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு ஸ்பெல் பண்ண தெரியும்ல, it's enough. You can do it by yourself. Very simple. Okay, now then second sum, 8,343,710. So first step, what we have to take and write it in brief. So 8 3 7 1 0. Now we have to put the comma 1 2 3 comma 2 3 comma 1. Okay, now the place value. So here what? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Here million. Here comes million in only in international system. Keep it in mind. After 1,000, that is after 100,000, it will be million. Okay, now the next step we have to underline the number. So 8 here. Sorry. Okay, now as it is, you have to close the number. That is, here it is 8. So just take and write. Now see here 8. What is a place value given? Million. So how will you write it? 8 million. Yes. Next, just close the two numbers and see 343. 343,000. 343,000. Then these three numbers, you have to write that last three digits in digits as it is. So 710. So 710. Okay, now spell the word, just spell the sentence, the number name. 8,343,710. Okay, clear? Another time, 8,343,710. So there is a simple difference between the Indian and international system. The commas will vary and the place value will. Commas means, that is in Indian system 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. For Indian system it is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 likewise. But in place value in Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, it will goes on like that. But in Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, likewise it will goes on. Clear? So there is a slight difference in between both the number, that both the systems. Now the last question is 103 456 789. So now the first step is we have to write the number in a brief form. So 103 456 789. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to put commas. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to write the place value here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, as I already told you, don't be scared while seeing the number itself. It is a very simple form. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we have to draw the line between the commas and after the commas. So just draw the line 3 3 3. Now close these two numbers and just say the number alone, 103. So 103 means how will you write it? You have to combine the place value with that 103. So 103 means it is million. So 103 million. How we have to write? 103 million. So 103 million. Yes, it is completed. Now we have to go to the next one. That is what? 456. Just read the number 456. So what is a place value? 1000. So 456,000. What we have to write? 456,000. Then the last three digits, 789. 700 789. Just write it as it is. 789. Okay, now read the number name. 103,456,789. Okay, once again read it. 103,456,000 excuse me, 789. So now you have learned how to give name for Indian and international system. So you have to do more and more sums based on this. Okay, you can ask your mom to give more and more sum, based on that you have to give the answer. Then only it will be easy for you to answer clearly. So if you take Indian system எடுத்துக்கிட்டிங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் இந்தியன் சிஸ்டமில் ஒரு 10 sums உங்கள் மம்மியை கொடுக்க சொல்லுங்கள். இல்லை or I will give you as a homework. No, you can do it. So I will give you homeworks now. In Indian சிஸ்டம்லேயும் ஹோம்ஒர்க் கொடுப்பேன், இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் சிஸ்டம்லேயும் ஹோம்ஒர்க் கொடுப்பேன். அந்த டைமில் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணுன்னா, உங்களுக்கு கொஷினை பார்த்தோன்னே உங்களுக்கு புரியாது. ஐ நோ தட், ஐ கேன் ஃபீல் யூ. ஸோ வாட் யூ ஹேவ் டு டூ மீன்ஸ், நீங்கள் இதை பார்த்து நீங்கள் ஒரு நோட்ஸ் எழுதி வச்சுருப்பீங்க இல்லையா, அதையும் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிக்கணும். நீங்கள் ஹோம்ஒர்க் நோட்டையும் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு சம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க மேம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், ஃபஸ்ட்டு அதோட ரூல்ஸ் என்ன அப்படின்றத பார்க்கணும். ஸோ ரூல்ஸை பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமேட்டு ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப் இருக்குது. ஸோ என்ன எப்படி ஹவ் வி ஹவ் டு ஃபாலோ த ஸ்டெப். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்? த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் இஸ் வி ஹவ் டு expand that is we have to write that number in brief form. Then we have to put the commas. Then after that we have to write the place values. Then we have to underline the digits based on the place value and putting the commas. So இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு after that we can write the after that we can write the place value very easily. Okay, don't be confused. So don't be confused, just go through it. Keep your book. Don't forget to keep your book with you. For max and all, book is very important. Yes, you already know that your book is very important for max, and practice sums is also, practicing the sums is also very important. Okay, so by this session your exercise 1.1 has been completed. Now in next session we can start our exercise 1.1 example sums. Okay, so by doing that example sums, I think the example sums also will be contained the same things what we have learned in exercise 1.1. So you will be easily understood. You will be easily understood that. So please cooperate with me. I will encourage you always. If you come to school, you will know about me. So please follow the rules and follow the method what I am telling to you. So it is very easy method. So keep your book side by side and write it, work out it fast. Then only you can improve your knowledge. While coming to school, you should not be blank. Okay, okay, students. Thank you. Be safe.